Did you know a dog can remember an entire neighborhood, even after it's gone? Every morning, Bear walks the same block he's walked for 11 years. He stops at the same fences. He looks toward the same front doors. But the neighbors are gone. The houses are empty. The street is almost rubble. His owners refuse to leave, not just for themselves, for him. Because Bear doesn't know the community disappeared. To him, it's still alive. And somehow, watching him walk that route every morning, it feels like it still is.